trends and technologies. In previous lecture, we learned about computing. There are two types of computing, or computing computers into two, that is mobile computing and cloud computing. We learn about mobile computing, that is smartphone, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. We learn about Wi-Fi, means wireless fidelity, which is provide wireless networking, which is based on proper protocol. Then after we learn about general packet radio service. Then after we learn about 3G and 4G. We learn about Bluetooth, which is based on industrial term, industrial, scientific and medical. We learn about smartphone and tablets. Now we will learn about satellite phone. So we have already mentioned that the cellular mobile technology has revolutionized the connectivity aspect, but with all the technology in place, at times we still face a problem of network not available. So the cellular mobile phone have limitations, that they need to be in the range of cellular tower. At many places it is still very difficult to erect such towers. Imagine the oil exploration companies working in the high sea. We don't have a provisional of erecting a cellular tower in the middle of the sea. What happened in such scenario? How are we able to connect or transmit data in such cases? So the solution to these problems is satellite communication technology and satellite phone. A satellite phone, more commonly known as sat phone, is one type of mobile phone. Instead of connecting to the terrestrial cellular towers, it connects to the communication satellites orbiting around the earth. Sat phone provide functionality like voice call, text messaging service and low bandwidth internet connection. The coverage of sat phones may include the entire earth or only specific region depending on its infrastructure. Generally, the usage of sat phone is controlled by the government. Remember it. So in India, we need to take special permission from the government of India to use satellite phone. Inmarsat, remember the name. Inmarsat is the oldest satellite phone operator. It started its service by providing large fixed installation for ships. Thuraya, remember, is another leading satellite phone service provider. Its powerful satellite enable 2/3 of the India's population to communicate using satellite phone. It delivers satellite communication using satellite phone. It delivers satellite communication solution across Europe, Africa and Middle East, Asia and Australia. So here, as per figure, you can see the satellite phone currently available in the market are almost similar to the regular mobile phones. Satellite phone or sat phones are very popular when expedition having happen in remote areas where terrestrial cellular service is not available. With the use of sat phones, we get uninterrupted connectivity through at a higher cost. So students, we learn what is a mobile computing. Now we have second term, which is known as a cloud computing. So cloud computing, you can see here our smartphone, server, network, laptop, all are connect with now a cloud base or a cloud computing. So the next big things available to the user today is technology called cloud computing. Cloud computing allows the user to have complete access of their data or resource from any part of the world. The cloud computing facility is available for both personal and official uses. The first type of uses is called personal cloud computing. A typical example of personal cloud computing scenario इज गूगल ड्राइव. गूगल ड्राइव हम जानते हैं, हम गूगल जीमेल का अकाउंट हमारे सब 90% यूज़र के पास होता ही है. सो वी कैन यूज़ गूगल ड्राइव ऑल्सो. गूगल करंटली हमें 15 GB तक की स्पेस हमें ड्राइव में देती है, जिससे हम हमारे इम्पोर्टेंट्स डॉक्यूमेंट या हमारे स्मार्टफोन के फोटोग्राफ्स जो भी है वो हम गूगल ड्राइव में स्टोर कर सकते हैं, जो कि हमारा फ़ोन लॉस हो जाने के बाद या फिर से हम उसको रीसेट अगर करते हैं हमारे स्मार्टफोन को, तो हमारा डेटा जो है वो डेटा को हम रिट्राइव करके हम सब भी जो हमारा गूगल ड्राइव में जो डेटा हमारा स्टोर हुआ है वो हम फिर से रिट्राइव कर सकते हैं. सो गूगल प्रोवाइड्स अस अ फ्री ड्राइव स्पेस. यहाँ पे 5 GB यहाँ पे हमको स्पेस दी जा बुक एज पर बुक है, लेकिन करंटली वी कैन यूज 15 GB स्पेस. सो गूगल ड्राइव, गूगल फोटोज, so that you can keep your files, email and photo accessible from any device, anywhere. This option is always better than carrying a pen drive. Figure shows a typical GUI Google Drive. You can see here. Here you can see a Google Drive screen. You can also use your personal Google Drive also. So now, what is the cloud computing? So distributed computing on internet or delivery of computing service over the internet. Suppose Yahoo, Gmail, Hotmail. Instead of running an email program on your computer, you log in to a web email account remotely. So the software and storage for your account doesn't exist on your computer. It is on the service computer cloud. You can see here, you can use cloud computing from मोबाइल, पीसी या उसके सभी कोई भी डिवाइस पर आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. आपका डेटाबेस क्लाउड में भी आप रख सकते हैं. अभी टेलीविज़न और जो कि भी हमारा हम देख सकते हैं करंटली टेक्नोलॉजी में, तो वो भी क्लाउड बेस्ड हम उस पर काम कर सकते हैं. So there are 3 models in cloud computing. Cloud computing based on 3 models, that is SaaS, PaaS and IaaS. SaaS stands for software as a service, PaaS stands for platform as a service, and IaaS stands for infrastructure as a service. So first we use SaaS, which is known as a software as a service. You can see here about SaaS, PaaS and IaaS. So first, software as a service, which is known as a SaaS. A business organization, instead of developing its own software application, generally uses the software by making payment to the cloud service provider. The service provider hosts the software at its web server. so that the company does not need to install it. The service provider will also manage the software on behalf of the company. This model relieves the business organization from buying, installing, and maintaining software or hardware. All they need is an internet connection that allows them to connect to the software and use it. SaaS example including customer relationship management as a service. Salesforce.com is one of the most used cloud service for customer relationship management, which is known as a CRM software. Figure shows the homepage of Salesforce.com. Second, infrastructure as a service. A business organization may hire the hardware infrastructure as a service from the cloud service provider instead of establishing its own physical resources. The hardware at cloud is used to support different relationship operations such as computation, storage, printing, backup, and networking component. The service provider owns all the equipment and is responsible for housing, running, and maintaining it. Some of the IaaS providers are Windows, Azure Virtual Machine, Google Compute Engine, and HP Cloud. Third one, that is platform as a service, which is known as a PaaS. A business organization here is generally a software company that creates the software using tools and libraries from the service provider. It also controls software deployment and configuration setting. The service provider provides the network server, storage, and other services that are required for developing software. This model facilitates the deployment of software application without the cost and complexity of buying and managing the underlying hardware and software and provisioning hosting capabilities. Many companies have ventured into the domain of cloud computing. You can see here a diagram of cloud computing.